Elements, compounds, and mixtures. Elements are things that we find on the periodic table of the elements, things like boron and carbon, silicon, hydrogen, potassium. These are elements, and these are atoms. All right? They are the simplest form of a substance that retains the properties of that element, like boron. If I take two or more different things from the periodic table and chemically combine them together, like for instance Na and Cl, sodium chloride, that's a compound. A compound is two or more different things on the periodic table, Na and Cl, that are chemically combined. And so this would be a compound. Another one might be calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So CaCO3. This actually has three different elements. We've got calcium. We've got calcium, we've got carbon, we've got oxygen. Still a compound. All right, these have been chemically combined. Mixtures are when I put things together, but they are not bonded chemically. For instance, like sand and iron, they're just mixed together. A salad would be a mixture. Salt water. The thing to ask yourself is, can you get them separated, physically? And of course, with like the salad, yes, you can pick out the tomatoes and the lettuce. Salt and water, you can physically separate. Just put the water out and let it evaporate away. The salt will get left behind. So you don't have to do any chemistry there. So those are the questions to ask yourself with elements, compounds, and mixtures. Is it by itself and on the periodic table it's an element? If it's chemically put together or have a chemical formula like sodium chloride, salt, or calcium carbonate, which is calcite, or is it just kind of laying there together but not bonded chemically, and can you physically separate it? Mixtures you can physically separate. Compounds, you can't physically pull these apart. I can't take a piece of salt and separate it physically by yanking on it into sodium and chloride, but you can chemically separate it. You can do a little chemistry and get those guys to break apart. And then atoms cannot be physically separated or chemically separated.